Welcome to the 5th episode of Neoteric Fitness Tech Tips. Today I want to tell you a bit about hot tech that became popular in the fitness industry this year and it's worth considering implementing in your gym. That's no news that nowadays you should constantly improve your business to be a top fitness platform. But the truth is that it's expensive and time-consuming to build new feature, especially if you are doing it on your own. The thing is that there is a much easier way: partnerships. There are plenty of great ready-made solutions that you can implement to get new, innovative features quicker, cheaper, and without any maintenance. Let's take a look at some of them. First, wearables. They already play a significant role in the fitness industry, and there is no doubt that the demand for this technology will keep growing. Wearables have become a perfect tool to gather valuable user data and personalize your offer to the specific needs of your clients. There are vast possibilities to leverage full potential of wearables, and luckily there are several companies in the fitness industry like Fittech or Motion providing ready-to-use solutions made especially for this purpose. Another great piece of tech that can boost your members' engagement and improve the quality of their training is motion tracking. An excellent example of leveraging this technology is Extra, a company that provides ready-to-use solution that analyzes your user's motion in front of the camera and displays stats and recommendations based on what it sees. This way, the user feels like working out with a personal trainer who oversees his training and helps them ensure they do every exercise correctly. What's even better about this solution, it doesn't require any additional devices. It works perfectly with a built-in camera in users' phones or computers. The next hot tech worth considering is recommendation engines. They are well known in other industries and becoming popular in the fitness world as they bring many benefits to the businesses in this industry. But how do they work? By analyzing users' behavior, you can offer them personalized training sessions in terms of, for example, exercise set or amount of time they should spend working out and so on. Thanks to this technology, you can offer your users, for example, a goals section that can provide them with tailored training recommendations and help them achieve those goals, like for example running a marathon. Those are barely a few examples out of many solutions gaining bigger and bigger importance in the fitness industry. And that's not a surprise. They allow you to give your users what they want: new, fun and motivating features, increasing their engagement. And through that, it helps you grow your business, lower churn rate and attract new members seeking innovative features. That was the last episode of this series of Neoteric Tech Tips, but it's not a goodbye. If you ever need any help related with fitness tech, reach me out on LinkedIn and I will be happy to help. Don't forget to share the video with your network, and I hope to see you again here on YouTube or on a fitness industry events.